Hello, wonderful people. I discovered something very cool about the Instructor-Led modules that would allow us to reuse the same course over and over instead of creating a new one for each Instructor-Led virtual session based on dates. So you wouldn't have to create a new course based on your dates if you use the Instructor-Led modules correctly. So here's an example. This is Vaughn Rook, my test guy logged in, and the Early Childhood Educators Conference, you see, here's the instructor-led module. What we did was we just moved it all the way to the end, right, instead of using it for attendance. But we did mark him as attended. So when he clicks on that module, he sees this is an instructor-led event. Below is the session you've already attended, and you cannot register. You can't unregister from a session that's already been held, right? That's what the session looks like because it's a past instructor-led module. It's got the date and everything, right? But I put him in a Lions Quest course that he did not take to show you guys how this works. Here's the instructor-led module there, all the way at the bottom. But it says there's no available sessions at this moment because he didn't actually use that module the last time when the course was there. So if this was still in the front of the course, it would be the first thing he'd see, right? Module number 1, and it would simply say there's no sessions available at this moment. So you can leave those courses there, right? And when people go in, it says no session available. But what we can do, and here I'm going to do what happens, we can always add more sessions to that instructor-led module, right? So we can do, I'll go in here as an instructor now. Where am I? I'm an instructor now. And I'm going to go into that Lions Quest for November 20. There it is. So if I go in and I decide to edit this and add a session, right? I can't go in and add a past session, or I think we could delete a past session if we really wanted to, but we don't want to. We're just going to add a session in there. New test session. And the date is the 20th, start time at midnight, whatever, capacity 1, instructor, I guess it can be me, right, yada yada. Zoom link is right here, folks. Copy and paste. And then it's 60 minutes short. We're just doing this quickly so you can see it. And we're going to log out and log back in as Vaughn Rook. Okay, so I log in as Vaughn Rook. Now when I go to that session, oh, look at that. I can register for the new upcoming session. I didn't see any sessions available. I didn't even see the date of the old session, right? But now that a new session's been added, I can register for that one. So that means that you can do that. You can just keep adding new sessions. And after you mark people attended, the people that were there will see it. But if it's a past session, other people won't see it because it'll show as no upcoming sessions, right? So you can just leave this at the front of your course and change the course description for the dates over and over and over. And that way we wouldn't have to create new courses.